Hey kids, Mr. Pee Wee Wee here, and I got some more machines for you. So those mostly, those all are construction machines from CAT company. They replicate those. Let's see how they're done. Box is definitely reminds of a construction work, right? Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so I got all the toys out, all the construction machines out, and to be honest with you, I had to put their names down so I would not confuse them with, with one another. So first we got an excavator, right here on the side. Have a moving excavation part. Very nice, very flexible. Goes up and down. The wheels are also turning, so you can drive around. Now let's get a closer look. Okay. I like the construction colors for sure. The yellow and the black is very nice. The second one, we got bulldozer. Now bulldozer, you can drive it too. It's kind of hard to move it around. You gotta put some effort into it because the wheels it has are not that easy to rotate. This part is not actually, it's not moving. It's just decoration to keep reality of the bulldozers. But the wheels, yes, kind of hard to move, so you gotta push really hard. Front part is moving pretty good. You definitely can clean the mess up with this bulldozer. Just push harder when you're trying to drive it around, right? So yeah, bulldozer. After bulldozer, over there we got loader. That picks up all the trash or ground or whatever, rocks, and loads it somewhere on the construction, either moving around on the construction site or put it in the dump truck, which we'll see a little bit later. Got a pipe over here, like cabin, nice, easy rotating wheels, very realistic. And here we got a dump truck. Yay. Usually those two guys go together, so dump truck, has a moving part. He can unload anything, any type of construction debris or whatever he picks up on construction. So this guy's his helper. So loader picks up stuff and puts it here, and then dump truck delivers it where it needs to be and then unloads it right there. Yeah, those guys are friends for sure. They're all friends because they all work at construction. Now this guy is a little different. This is road roller. So what he does, they straighten up your asphalt when people building roads. He goes and make sure it's flat, nice, and there's no holes in it, so you can, or your father or your parents can drive the road safely. Yeah, this one actually is also a little tough to push around, same as bulldozer, but I think it's supposed to be this way because it has to roll the road, right? It has to be this way. Okay, you see the wheel, the chair. Very nice toys, guys, very nice. Okay, so if you like my videos and you subscribe and leave comments below, you really want those, I might, send it to one random subscriber that's asking for those toys. And this was Mr. Pee Wee Wee with construction machines. Got some names for you, learned a little bit myself, because English is my second language, so I didn't know all the names of those cars. Now I know. Alright, thank you again for watching, and bye.